Mogadishu, Somalia's president rejected an agreement called violation of international law by providing access to the coast of Ethiopia, surrounded by land between Ethiopia and Somaliland's separation zone. President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud told Somalia to joint session Federal Parliament Somalia. "We will not watch endanger our sovereignty and endangered our sovereignty." Somaliland, a strategic region by Gulf of Aden, left Somalia in 1991 when the country fell into a led-by-war network. Although there was no international recognition, the region continued its government. On Monday, Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and Somaliland President Muse Bihi Abdi signed memorandum allow him to rent a 20-kilometer coastline established sea force base of Ethiopia. Somaliland President said that the agreement contains an article that Ethiopia will recognize Somaliland as an independent country in the near future. He said that Somalia and Ethiopia, President of Somalia, shared a long history and that adopting a peaceful union was the only way to achieve permanent peace in region. Furthermore, Ethiopia's attack on Somalia in 2006 to fight Union of Islamic Courts in 2006 led to the rise of pro-excessive al-Shabab, which still pose an important threat. Mohammed, "We must be careful avoid endangering our important steps to defeat this group. And this movement creates another opportunity for al-Shabab hire," Mohammed said. Al-Shabab spokesman Sheik Ali Dherere called the Somali people to unite their lands and seas against the perceived external threats. The radio arm of the group was held by Andalusia. Ethiopia, which has a population of more than 120 million, is the world's most populous land. The Ethiopian Prime Ministry said in a statement that the agreement strengthens the security, economic and political partnership between Ethiopia and Somaliland. Matt Bryden, a Nairobi-based thinking tank, said Matt Bryden, strategic consultant, said, "It is unlikely to affect regional stability in the short term." Bryden does not have a way force Somalia's will Somaliland forcibly, but it is likely distribute legal sovereignty instruments isolate it.warn. However, he said that a rise in political and diplomatic stance by neighboring countries such as Djibouti and Eritrea was very likely in the long term. Nairobi contributed to the Associated Press Writer Tom Award to Kenya.